Top of the morning to everybody this morning. It's Tuesday and we're here with Ronnie and we're here with Finney putting his safety boots on and Nigel. We're putting Ronnie back together today, aren't we, Nigel?
True. Oh, I go there.
So what are we going to put on today? The sump?
Oh, we figured wood is a good thing.
Oh well.
Now I've got to put the sump in, harmonic balancer, the radiator, oil, everything else. Coils, exhaust, yeah, pretty much the motor. We'll put it together. Finney's keen for it, and then away we go.
You ready to hear it run?
Battery, key.
Hopefully we can get it to start today. I think we might be pushing it for time, but we'll see how we go. So we're super keen to get Ronnie done. Here is Miss Cantankerous, as we call Misfire. Now, we did mention the other day that Misfire was misbehaving after we put the sump baffle in. We started up and it was missing and farting and backfiring and carrying on. Now, yeah, took a bit of while. We have put bigger injectors and the bigger rockers in it, and all at the same sort of time, and it just decided it didn't like it all of a sudden. So we played with the tune a bit to get it so it'll idle and run, and on Thursday it's headed to Custom Bugs and Buses for another dyno tune ready for Mighty Car Mods Nationals on Sunday, which we're really keen to get out there and have some fun, meet the boys. Yeah, so hopefully we'll get some good figures out of Misfire again on Thursday and we'll be ready to race. Anything's going on? We've got an alternator going on.
Yeah.
And what else have we got on this morning, Finney?
Couple of wheels off, and the rest of it.
Sump's on.
Sump's on.
We got the harmonic balancer on, not yet. We got the big hammer out for Ronnie. Is everything back in harmonic balance now? Can we drive it yet? Can we drive it yet? Can we drive it yet? Although Nigel told me this morning, Grant, I'm not allowed to drive it. I'm not allowed to drive it. Well, I was going to loan you Misfire's wheels to drive down to get the exhaust. We're getting close. There's been lots of teamwork here. Nigel's putting stuff on, Finney's putting stuff on, Grant's putting stuff on. We're very, very close to nearly being able to turn the key on this thing. The Ronnie door. Will it live to see another day? Or will it become a boat anchor?
What happened to your voice just then?
I just went into that what will happen tone. Just trying to build some suspense. All right, the moment of truth. We're going to try and fire Ronnie up. We've done no tuning changes. Right, first turn of the day. Go, Ronnie. He's got a bit of a love to her now.
Gotta give him a rest.
Quiet. Sounds nice and healthy. He just likes revving it. That's all it is. It doesn't sound as good as his little sister though. There we go, Ronnie's running. All the oil's burning off everything, that's alright. He can't help himself, he just has to rev it.
Nope.
Oh, it's doing a misfire and stalling. Whew. You've broken it. So there we have it, Ronnie is idling. Next week, the plan is to opt the Windsor exhaust for an exhaust system. We're going headers right to the back, courtesy of Windsor Exhaust helping us out with that. Looking after us as usual. And then it's off to get a tune end of next week. Then we're nearly ready to drive, hey boys.
That's it. Get ready, pull my socks up, and away we go.
So then it'll be what, the following Wednesday night we'll be at Race for Real. The aircon's done on the boss, we're ready to go. That's good.